Do you know someone who's always busy, busy, busy? They're always rushing around to get everything done, and they're always behind, and their plate is always overflowing with stuff, and they'll still take on more stuff even though they can't get done the stuff they already have on their list to do. These are the people that if you'll listen to them, they'll stand and tell you for 15 minutes about how busy they are. They wear it like their badge of honor. They wear this busyness like this makes them somebody special, like it makes them extra validated or something or another. I don't get that psychology myself, but there's a lot of folks that get all caught up in the rat race, and modern man is the worst at it. We in modern America are busier than probably any generation that came before us. And we're probably less happy than any generation that came before us because we're just caught on this rat race and we're stuck in the little hamster wheel. And we think if we just turn that wheel hard enough, fast enough, that something's going to happen. Well, something is going to happen. You're going to get tired and exhausted and discouraged and disappointed and worn out. And you're going to get to the end of life and nobody's going to care how hard you turn that hamster wheel. And that's just going to add more despair to an already fairly empty life. Get out of the hamster wheel already. Give it up. Christianity is not about being lazy, but there is the peace that passes understanding. Philippians 4, 6, and 7, of course, tells you to take everything to God and let His peace guard your heart. On down in verse 8, it would tell you to meditate. Meditate on a variety of things, and that means slowing down, being still, and taking the journey into deeper subjects and contemplating the deeper meaning of life, which I think is an awesome thing to do, and I encourage you to do that. So, if you're one of those people that's always busy, 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 and you're not having fun with it, now I guess I ought to make this distinction. If you're busy, 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 and honestly in the deepest, most secret place of your heart, it is pumping you full of joy and satisfaction, and you lay your head on the pillow at night and you're just grinning ear to ear because you've had such an awesome day, I don't want to take that from you. If you're that person, stay with it. Happiness, I'm all about that. But if you're one of these people that's busy, 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 and then you whine about being busy, don't whine, don't do that. And then you get to the end of the day feeling exhausted and disappointed, and you're angry at your family because they didn't help you with all your busy stuff, and life's just not fulfilling. You need to step back and look at that one. If it's not adding to your life, then something's wrong. Time to back up, reevaluate, and maybe reschedule the way you work your life. So, a little bit of something to think about. Hope that gives you some deeper insight into the potential life. And as always, have a great day.